Good morning, students. Today we will start with another term, that is acceleration. Now, what is this acceleration? That is the rate of change of velocity. Let us understand this. Now, suppose in what happens in non-uniform motion, the velocity of a body changes with time. That you all have understood in the previous video also. For example, when a train leaves the platform, okay, just imagine that when the train is leaving a platform or entering the platform, okay, what happens? It's when it is leaving the platform, it is gradually increasing its speed, isn't it? In the same way, when the train is entering the platform, it is gradually reducing its speed, isn't it? So its velocity is changing with time. This change in velocity of an object with time is expressed by the term acceleration. So what is acceleration? It tells us by how much amount the velocity of a body changes in unit interval of time. Or in other words, we can say that the acceleration is a quantity which measures how quickly the velocity of a body or an object changes. So we can define acceleration as the change in velocity per unit time. So acceleration is equal to change in velocity by time. It is denoted by small a. Okay. Now, if the velocity of an object changes from an initial value u, okay, it's suppose the initial velocity was u and the final velocity is v in time t, then acceleration can be expressed as final velocity or change in velocity by time taken. What is the change in velocity taking place? So that is a equals to v minus u by t. So this is the formula for acceleration. It is the change in velocity per unit time. Since it is the change in velocity, it has magnitude as well as direction. So acceleration is a vector quantity. Now the SI unit of acceleration is meter per second square. Now acceleration can be positive as well as negative. Now when is it positive? If its direction is same as that of the direction of motion of the object. Okay. If the direction is same as that of the direction of the motion of the object, then the acceleration is considered to be positive. Whereas acceleration of an object is negative if its direction is opposite to the direction of motion of the object. Now let us take an example. Suppose that an object is moving with certain velocity, is brought to rest. In that case, what is happening? The object is having negative acceleration. Okay. Now, acceleration can be uniform as well as non-uniform. When the acceleration is said to be uniform? If the velocity of an object increases or decreases by equal amount in equal intervals of time, then the acceleration of the object is known as uniform acceleration. Okay. This type of acceleration means when the velocity of an object is changing by an equal amount in equal interval of time, then it is said to have uniform acceleration. For example, the motion of a freely falling object, when it is dropped from a top building, then the motion of that object is known as uniform acceleration. Now, what is non-uniform acceleration? If the velocity of an object changes by an unequal amount in equal interval of time, means it is either increasing or decreasing, means it is changing by an unequal amount in equal interval of time. In that case, it is known as non-uniform acceleration or variable acceleration. For example, the motion of a bus on a crowded road, isn't it? Because its velocity is changing by sometimes it has to increase its velocity or decrease its velocity in the equal interval of time. The motion of a train leaving or entering the platform, the motion of a bus leaving or entering the bus stop. In that case, it is said to have non-uniform acceleration.